Remember back in the good old days, welcome back dear archers, and remember the amazing Nocks from Charlie Greenberg, the running archer. He developed his own style of Nocks, which I like a lot. I linked in the description the video of these Nocks. But what you got in the time was a 3D printing file, and then you could print them by yourself, and then you got them like this, and then you had to put them off here, and then you needed to send them and to clean them and to yada yada yada. Not everybody was or had access to a 3D printer like me here in Malta. We have 3D printers, but if you write them something, they don't even reply. So, and then you had this one, was pretty nice. Was, why do I say was? Because if I can open the bag today, I will show you. So, because Charlie just did something really nice. What did he do? He found now someone whom he teamed up, and he 3D prints them now in Czech Republic, and you can directly physically order them from him without any hassle, without any of this cleaning and all this stuff. And I have to say, they look way better. They look almost like molded than the old ones, and I like that. Let's have a closer look. So first of all, you can have them now in different colors. We have here red, we have this nice turquoise, we have green, and obviously we have white. But what we want to check quickly is the weight. The old one was 34 grain, 38 grain. So they're a little heavier, but I don't mind at all. Turn off. But they look, the finishing is way nicer than the old ones. The rest is all the same, but look, you have here all these things you need to clean up. And here it's just nice. I mean, there are a little bit of small things, but you know, it's minuscule compared to the hassle you had with the first version. Very good, I like. Let's see how they fit. Now my two destroyers here, there's a U-Nock, there's a standard Nock. And now we try one of, my shaft is broken. Look, they slide in. Now this shaft doesn't work anymore, the shaft is broken. So with this arrow we should not shoot anymore. But let's see another one. Here, look at this. Oh, this is just a perfect fit. The color doesn't fit now, obviously, but this one. So it's resistant enough that it doesn't come off when your string is a little too tight on the Nock. Just nice. Let's shoot this one. There we go. The new Nocks 3D print, and the price is I think €1 each, but you have a minimum. He told me in the podcast, I forgot now, you have a minimum number which you need to order, and then with a little shipping, so you get a bunch of them for I think €50 or something. So they just feel great. You really, wherever you get them, you can control them easily. They have this wide surface here. Even with gloves, it's no problem that you find this index, and you can whatever grab them from wherever you come. It's so easy peasy to work with these arrows. It's really nice. With these Nocks, it's really nice. Nice. And what do we learn from Wing Chun? You know, when you have this, you always put your thumb down to support this angle. So I believe, now it just came in my mind when I held the Korean bow, you should heel the bow a little, I guess. So it means you apply pressure downwards there. In the same time, you need to put the thumb, like in Wing Chun, you put the thumb down to support this angle. Don't listen to me. It's too early, and I only had one coffee. Let's see. So there you go. They have really a nice fit, and they feel now, compared to the first 3D printed one, way more way more premium, I would say. And then for €1, you get this really defined, you know, with this wide V shape here and everything, and they knock nice, and you feel them nice. So for what you get, and what I like, first of all, with the colors, you can match them now to your arrow design and what have you, or you can match them if you have different spined arrows or whatever, and you want to color code them. So you can go ahead and this green is not my color, so I would take most probably the red or the white ones, but I guess he will come up with new colors soon. And this is a new material. It's a little more durable than the old ones, but they still, it's only 3D printed, so they don't last as long as the normal manufactured one, but they don't last forever either. So that's why keep this in mind. They are 3D printed, they might break. They're still a little more brittle than the normal ones, but when you have these normal plastic ones, they break too, so it's not a big thing. But look at the size difference. It's hilarious. And then of course it makes your life, when you do fast shooting, way easier than with this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thank you very much, Charlie, for sending them to me so I can test them. I appreciate it very much. And thank you all for watching. Catch you in the next one.